Jefferson Surgical is a good place to schedule an appointment for a hearing test because we have the doctor of audiology, that's me. We have Dr. Zachman, he's the ear, nose, and throat specialist. And having both of those in the same building is great because if there's a medical problem or maybe even a blockage of the ear canal, Dr. Zachman can address that. If it's just the hearing, then certainly I'm able to do the testing and address that. We do not charge commission for hearing aids, and that really helps keep the cost of the hearing aids lower than a lot of places here in town. We also really stay up to date on the latest technology. You're really going to find the best technology available at the best price at Jefferson Surgical. At Jefferson Surgical Audiology, they're going to be warmly greeted, they're going to be treated like family members. I really do try to treat my patients as I would want my family to be treated. I can test from pediatric through geriatric. We have the latest technology, and we really try to provide very good service.